Today topic is how to send email from SQL Server. So I can start what I have covered in this video. So I will cover what is database email, why database mail is used, and how to configure database email, how to create mail profile, and how to send email using SQL query. And last one, common troubleshooting. So what is the database mail and why database mail is used? So database email is SQL Server features that allow SQL Server to send email using SMTP server. It means we can send mail from SQL Server as well. No require any programming language just like Java, .NET, C Sharp, PHP. So a lot of time many developers send email in their codes, but SQL all provide mail services itself. So we can send email through the SQL based on our requirement, just like error notifications, daily reports, backup status, failed job alerts, business reports. So this type of report, these are the report, these are the common usage where we are using as send email by the SQL server. So so I will explain one by one. So I am going to open my SSMS. So these are the SSMS, and I am is install SQL Server as developer edition, not for the Express. Express SQL Server Express is for only the small businesses. They can use free of cost, but limited features. And SQL Server Developer editions, these are used by the any developer only for the test cases, not for the business purpose. So I have installed SQL Server Developer editions. So, so we need to follow the below steps where set the configure, SP configure, so advanced options. So database mail services is already in the advanced option. So first times I have already enable this step zero. So so their value is one. So no need to their run value is 1, so no need to set their value is 1. So if you have already enabled, then no need to execute this query. Okay, and also if not enable, then forcefully you need to enable the advanced options and reconfigure. After that, after that, so the all configure run this query. After that, we need to configure the X database mail options. So I have execute. So their value is 1. So no need to set their value is 1 as for nice scenario. Otherwise, you can execute this. After that, they need to run this query. So reconfigure, it means to apply the configuration changes in the SQL running server. Okay. After that, uh, we need to set the email account. So before going to set up the email account, we need one uh, one Gmail account. Currently, I'm using Gmail, so that's why Gmail account. Either you can use the Gmail, Outlook, Hotmail, whatever their mails server provider, mail service provider. We can use. But by the way, I am using the Gmail, so that's why we need to one Gmail account. That Gmail account is responsible for sending the all email by the SQL server. Server. So I have I have set the Gmail account, and inside the Gmail I have added the one app app. So you can add the one app. uh, just so inside the Gmail account, a password. Yeah, you can you can search the a password. So before going to a password, Google ask a password, Gmail password. So I have added the two app password. App. First app is SQL test and second app is SQL mail sending. Okay, you need to add the app name and as this Gmail account automatically generate the password. So here the I have added the this password. So I'm going to in the SQL. Yeah. So right click on the database mail, go to the management. Here is the management, and inside the management database mail here, right configure database mail. So we need to follow these steps. So here is database and here is database mail. Right click database mail service, and this wizard is only for mail configuration wizard. So we can add the email accounts and email profile and set their security. Okay, so going to click on the next. So choose the first option, set up the database mail by performing the following task. So here is profile name. So profile name means we need to set one profile, that inside the one profile we can set up multiple email services. Just like inside the account we can add the salary services, we can add the attendance services, a lot of profile name. I'm going to add test. Okay, and add the Gmail account name personal. Yeah, so these are the personal account. Automatically I have added, so that's why this provide this URL. So account name. Go back, personal, just remove, add personal account. Okay, so automatic. Okay, just I'm going to remove this. I want to show as I new, because in my account, uh, new account. So account name is personal or business, PRS, personals, and email address this one. So just I'm use my email, and display name, just as display name is only for what whatever the whatever the displays header while sending the email. Reply email, if user want to reply that email, so that mail should be comes on this email. So that's why I put it this same email again. If I put it the other one, that any user reply on that email, so that reply should be go on this email, whatever the we need to put here. Okay, server name we need to put SMTP. SMTP gmail.com, port is 587. Okay, 587 port, and we need to check this server required for secure connections and basic username and password. So I need to put the username is same our primary email address, and their password is a generated password, whatever the generated. So just I am going to add this. These are the password, this password, and okay, and going to click on the next. Public profile, private profile, simple test, simple alert test. So the only the existing public profile. I awaited the two profile, so that's why uh, I am I already added the two one, both one. So both one in both profile, I awaited the only one. Okay, so just I'm going to send one email, send test email, and one walk mail. Just go to the walk mail, and inside the walk mail, just going to empty the inbox, and these are the my walk mail account, and here is two and subject this one. Okay, so SQL servers try to sending email. So just going to check this one. Yeah, got it. So SQL automatically send email uh, while I am send the sample test email. Inside the mail service you can check their log, whatever the log every time. So in the next video I have show how to call these email services inside the store procedure, and in how to call that store procedure by the SQL job, because SQL job is responsible for sending the automatic mail. No need to uh, write logics, yeah, write deployment on the server. SQL itself identify the time they can it's stored procedure responsible to get the record whatever the changes yesterday and the today, and the mail service responsible for sending the email. So these three tasks we will do in the next video. Okay, thank you.